I finally got a schematic of a Borobudur for the hololive-ID Cup this year. But while we're doing that, let me do something because hold on, wait a minute. I guess that I have something like yeah. Wait, hold on. I think I forgot to bring my jacket. I think I need to change my jacket, right? Hold on. Let me go back. Let me go back. Okay. Nice. Don't you think that it looks very professional right now? When we want to talking about hololive-ID Cup, especially about the blueprint. But I guess I think I forgot the blueprint. I don't know where did I find my blueprint? I look like an airplane traffic. What? But yeah, I need to go back to take my blueprint. Actually, let me see. Mana ya? Where's the blueprint? I found the blueprint. Nice. And I have for M. M is for Moona Mando. Yeah. I can't see much, but I have a tag. Everyone should know that I'm actually one of the workers. Yes. You cannot read that. Yeah, you're not supposed to read that. I got a tag. You took a selfie with your hard hat on. Of course I am. Itu helm nyuri di Ultraman. Enggak. Helmnya size M. Iya. Nah, kita balik lagi ya. Kita kan tadi emang tujuannya pengen nganu blueprint nih. Ya. Jadi saatnya Moona bakal menjelaskan ke kalian skematik hololive-ID Cup tahun ini.